Welcome back, everybody. This is Glockman4519. I have another ROM to show you guys. This is an overview of an unofficial build of Beanstalk Marshmallow. I've been watching the thread and I noticed that it came alive here not too long ago, and somebody decided they were going to try to build it. They were having some issues with it, but finally got a working ROM up and running. I can't guarantee how long that they are going to support it, if they are going to update it anymore or not. But if you are a Beanstalk fan, such as myself, this is good news, because it's working. The only thing I've found wrong with it, and I'm going to show you it right up front, is something that's going on with not just this ROM, but pretty much the majority of all ROMs based on CyanogenMod 13 right now. And that is, you have no quick setting tiles. Um, Other ROMs that come to mind, Resurrection Remix, but I can't even think right now. CM13, some other ones, just are not working. If I go into my multi-ROM and pull up some of the ROMs that I have um, loaded, uh, yeah, let me think here. Bliss is not working. The pull down tiles on Bliss isn't working. Um, and also, I noticed on my Nexus 10 that Android Ice Cold Project, same thing. But it's a CM issue. So I'm going to go ahead and get on with this ROM, and it's working great. Um, we're going to go down to About Phone. I'm going to let you guys see that it is Beanstalk. This is Android 6.0.1. This is for the Nexus 6. This build is 120. It was released this morning, and I am running Hellscore, the newest release of Hellscore kernel. And I am also running superSU 2.66 beta, just so you guys know, and it's permissive. And I'm having no issues at all with superSU, just so you guys know. I'm going to try to keep this ROM short. I will try. But as you can see, if you go up into the settings, there is no like Beanstalk settings. So your custom settings are throughout. So first thing I'm going to do is go to developer options, let you guys see the advanced reboot. You have your root access, your apps, ADB. You can, if you want root, you want to definitely make sure that is ticked. There are all your Android debugging controls. Let me see here. You have your Windows animations right here. Your multi-window mode is right here. Whoops, I'm going kind of fast there. But of course, you guys know all this. I want to get out of here. I know I've had some complaints and people don't want me showing this. I'm sorry, that's the way I do things. So that's what I'm going to do. But I am going to just try to hit the ones that have the custom features in the settings. So we're going to go ahead and go on up to the notification drawer. Here are your settings for your notification drawer, your quick pull down, your smart pull down if you want that, your task manager, time contextual header, which again I love that feature. I think that was one of the coolest features they have out. You notice it's 4:32 p.m. here in central Pennsylvania, and it is sundown, so it's working great. And then you have your notification colors. You can customize all of that if you want, which is a cool feature. Beanstalk is one of those ROMs that have a lot of custom features to it. You want to remember, though, this is a fairly new build. So if he does build more and update this ROM as he does, we're going to see more features added. And plus, hopefully, CyanogenMod fixes the quick tiles issue, and we'll get that back as well. Under status bar, these are your status bar settings. You have your clock style, You know, your AM, PM, date style, date format, color, font, your font size. I love that. I love being able to change my font size. You can put your clock seconds on, you know, all that. Battery style. I did try to run the 3-minute mod on this. It does not work. So I don't know what's up with that because this is Cyanogen mod based. Maybe, I don't know. Hopefully they will get that incorporated. But as of right now, it's not working. Here's your battery bar settings. Then you have your system UI tuner, brightness control, your notification count, super user indicator. All these things you guys can turn on, turn off at will. Your system profiles, home users. I'm trying to think of the ones that have the settings to it. Buttons. We have some custom buttons in here. Your slim dim if you want it. It's there. Here's your buttons and layout for your nav bars. I'm glad they have that in there. Although I'm pretty used to having that back button on the left side now, so I just leave it there. Let's see, your navbar dimensions, recents. Here's your power menu. Quite a few options on that. Thank you for that. Then you have your end call, your press power button for your camera, then your volume control buttons. And that's about it under buttons. Security, if you guys want to see that, here are your security settings. Nothing really different on this. Lock screen settings, fairly basic. They do have an advanced. Your lock screen extra settings. So I'll let you guys take a look at this. It's kind of cool they have it. Although I don't want that media cover on there, but it is cool that they have this. I do like to set my lock screen up, especially for the weather. Then you have your general lock screen. You can put a message on there. I always put Haze Technology on it. You know, but you can put whatever you want or nothing at all. Then you have your shortcuts, your bottom shortcuts, your mid-screen shortcuts if you want to put something in there. And then your music visualizer, which I don't run. I don't listen to music on my phone. Let's see, notifications. You have your heads-up notification. Then you have all of your settings under that is normally associated with that. Your do not disturb, your do not disturb access, all of that. This is where you'll find that. And you have your theme engine. Theme engine's working great. Right now I am running. It is called Mooey Dark CM13 CM12. It's actually a really cool theme. I suggest you give it a try. Display and lights. There's your brightness level, your basic settings that we are normally used to seeing. They're all here. I don't want that double tap to sleep. I don't want tap to wake. I do like the 3-finger gesture. There's your ambient display. Lately, I've been leaving that off because of the issues they've been having with calls not coming in, text not coming in with the doze. I'm not sure if that's been fixed or not. I just leave it off. But then you have your advanced doze options. You also have your interface options with your PA pie control, your app circle bar, your gesture anywhere, your animation controls. These are your animation controls here. I would love to see scrolling. They don't have it yet, but it would be nice if they did. Then you have your recent apps, your memory bar, you know, your immersive recents, of course. And since I have my memory bar in there, you know, you can have your search bar showing. You can show date, clock, whatever you want. It's all there. You have your clear all button. You can set that where you want it. Clear all tasks. Of course, it has Omni switch. It does work. I was messing with that. And you have slim recents. If you are one of those people that like slim recents, it is included. Then you have your wallpaper picker. Wallpaper picker. Expanded desktop. LCD, if you want to change your LCD density, that's where you do that at. Font size. And then your battery lights. And, of course, your notification lights. And the notification lights are all working very well, as is the battery light notification lights, or the battery lights. Everything's working great. As I said earlier, the only thing that's not working are the pull down quick tiles. There are none there, and you can't set it up. Then you have your sounds. Sounds are pretty basic. I don't think there's anything custom under this. And it comes with kernel auditor built right in. If you guys want to run a custom kernel such as I'm doing, it has kernel auditor built in. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is Beanstalk. Also, what I like about this ROM as opposed to all the other ROMs out there is if you press and hold screen and go to Wallpapers and choose Wallpapers, you actually have options to run Beanstalk wallpapers. I wish the other ROMs would start doing this. This was one thing I used to love about running custom ROMs. All the other custom ROMs were very, very proud to have their own wallpapers and, you know, and to give you access to them. And I just think it's great that Beanstalk is still doing this. There are quite a few wallpapers to choose from. I like that one. I like it dark. That one's kind of cool. I like that one as well. But, I mean, you know, I just wanted you guys to see that. I think this is a feature, again, that all ROMs should have. And then now we're done, and now it's... Those are obviously are the live wallpapers. But I'm going to go back to the ROM that I was using. Listen to me, the ROM. The wallpaper that I had, and that was the one that comes in the theme. I kind of like that, and that's actually the boot animation too. It looks like that. Well, guys, there you have it. That is Beanstalk Marshmallow for the Nexus 6. This is Android version 6.01. Everything is working great, with the exception of the quick tiles. As I said before, they are non-existent. But this is a CM issue, and I am sure it is going to get fixed. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Again, I'd like to thank all my subscribers. Also, if you guys have a ROM that you would like to see before you flash it, or a ROM and custom kernel combination, let me know. You know, into suggestions, you know, underneath, and, you know, if I have the time, which I usually do, I'll flash it for you and make a video, a quick video for you. So, until I see you on the next one, everybody, you guys all take care.